And another one. What's up people, Manor here, coming to you with a video. This time we are going to be unboxing and reviewing another eco-friendly and solar product. That is the UPC code, that is the model information. It is a solar outdoor pathway light. That is a multifunction light because of the way it looks. The design functionality alone makes it very unique. Let's continue with the unboxing. The company name is right here, and they do cover the product for 12 full months with a replacement warranty. That is the contact information and the website, and this is the website. Interesting. If you leave a review on Amazon, they will donate $1 to UNICEF. That is really nice. This is the only company that I have seen do that. So right off the back, good job HFWS for doing this. This is a very noble deed that you guys are doing. And here it is. That is the user manual. Pretty detailed instruction. Okay, interesting. So along with the product itself, it also has the mounting information and mounting brackets and stuff. These are the product specification. The battery will last you 3 years, so that is pretty good. And the motion sensor detection functionality is up to 26 feet, so that is pretty far out. And the working hours is up to 8 to 10 hours, and it is IP66 proof, and it can withstand temperature -20 to +60 C, and it's a metal and plastic hybrid. The charge time is 5 to 8 hours, so that is definitely good. Let's continue with the unboxing. Okay, this feels heavy. This is metal. Then you have the solar array on the top. That again is a UPC code. Pretty solid ball joint connector. So it is, once you point it, it's not going to go anywhere. And there is a hex screw thing on the back. And the mounting brackets are here. On our switch right now, it's pretty bright, so it's not going to turn on because it has a sensor in that actually prevents it. And these are the LED arrays that are here. In addition to that, it does have a camera mounting system thing. That way it actually does look like it's a genuine solar power camera. I think the company does have something similar to it, and they do sell a product. Hopefully I will review it in the future. And this is how the camera thing will connect. And yeah, once the solar cell is covered, it will automatically turn on, and it has a motion sensor. In addition to this, they're also providing you some mounting hardware, 4 screws and a Allen key. I guess that's for the back part. The antenna does swivel out of the way, so it's not going to be impeding the mounting bracket of the solar array. The solar array, while it is flexible, you can tighten it up. You can fix it in place like so to get it to a proper 25-degree angle. That is the ideal circumstance that you need to have for picking up the sunlight. If it is mounted towards the north, you can just unscrew it, and it will tilt pretty far back. That way the slope is going to be able to pick up, because the camera is going to be mounting downwards anyway, so it is going to have sufficient backing that it will pick up the sunlight even on the north facing wall. Definitely a good looking product, really sturdy and really well made. I'm really glad that the company is doing such a noble deed by not only providing good service, they're also helping UNICEF to feed the kids and to give kids a fighting chance in 170 countries, so just not a specific country. Definitely a big thumbs up for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys and gals on the next one. Later people, bye.